Alright traders, hope you guys are having a good Thursday, Valentine's Day. I came back to do a quick video. I got stopped out of my other trade that I was in while I was gone. I came back though because yesterday SOLO was really moving yesterday in the afternoon. If we go back and look at yesterday, I mean that's really when it started taking on off, and so I said, okay, that's what happened yesterday, so could happen again today. Let's come back to it. Now, if we look at the daily chart on it, I mean this thing's a clear short. It's very overextended. RSI is blown through the roof. This thing should be a short, right? Easy short. Well, that's not necessarily the case, especially with the price action that we have right now, with traders seeing what it did yesterday in the afternoon. And not only that, it's very overcrowded now on the short side, as shorts are very expensive as well on SOLO. A lot of shorts are looking to get into this, and when it becomes overcrowded, and not only that, we had shorts from yesterday. Oh, look at SOLO right now. It's actually selling off pretty good. Was going to look to scoop that up, but the price action here on SOLO is pretty solid. I mean, we're getting balled up, and I want to pull up the 5-minute chart for you guys so you can see what an inverse head and shoulders looks like. This was a clear, beautiful inverse head and shoulders on SOLO. On the daily, we got the left shoulder here. We got the right shoulder here, we got the head, and now we shake it all about. We do the hokey pokey. Well, I got in this right here at 508, got it for the bounce, and then I sold up here to this resistance around 530. I'll show you guys that. Right before it got that huge volume pop is when I sold, which really would have helped my account out. Didn't end up getting it though, so we got right here, guys, SOLO buy at 515, 502. That averaged out to 508, and I sold it at 529. Right before that huge volume came in to squeeze it even further. So pretty upset there with that trade. You know, it was green, it was good. You know, took my 20 cents or so, and we move on. This is selling off really hard right now. But essentially what I was doing, guys, was I was getting it at the trend line. I tried to pick up some shares. My average price was at 508. Right off this trend line I had drawn here. Also noticed on the 5-minute, we had a really nice inverse head and shoulders setting itself up. Is this a short? Yeah, it is. It is a short long term, but the price action and the fact that it was ramping yesterday in the afternoon got traders excited, and I could see that. You know, I could certainly tell that every time it was coming down, it was buying right back up. And look at all this volume that came in as well. So I took a trade, made up for my loss a little bit earlier. If I would have held on to it just for a few more seconds, guys, that would have been a huge trade. Unfortunately, it wasn't. But that's SOLO. I want to make sure you guys see this so you can prepare for the future. We always look at the recent past to tell what's going to happen in the near future. That's exactly what happened on SOLO. Why did I sell where I did? A lot of you will say, should have held on to this one. It's like the good winners that I never hold on to. It's very frustrating. But why I sold was, you know, last time it came up to this resistance, it sold on off pretty hard, and I didn't really want to hold all the way through another sell-off and then bounce back, you know, in case it was going to do that again. I thought it would test this VWAP. It did, and broke through it on a really strong note. I didn't know if it was going to get to it that quick, though. I mean, we were sitting at 530. We shot all the way up through 550, up to $6. So tons of volume came in for that squeeze right there. But that's the trade I was looking for, guys. We're extended off this trend line now. We'll see what's going to happen here. It's sitting right around its open of the day. Its open of the day was right here at like 568, 69. So we'll see how this one's going to close on off. But traders, let me know how you did on SOLO today, if you guys stayed safe. And traders, if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning.